Sir, the trending topic, the major topic going on in the state of Goa is transfer of South Goa SP, Sunita Sawant. What is your reaction? And being an MLA, being an opposition MLA, how do you react to this transfer?
Let me be honest with you. I have found Sunita Sawant as a very good officer, and I have been a public prosecutor, and I have seen her skills in investigation of cases, which has been brilliant. And I think that she would have been a good officer in the chair. Now, the question is, what caused her transfer? There are many things flying thick and thin, making statements and allegations, including that she had gone to ask for details of members of the Bajrang Dal. So if that she had asked, I don't think it is wrong for her to have asked, because it is in the interest of the state to know who are members of which group and organization. And if anybody, whether it's Bajrang Dal or anyone who has to be ensured that they follow the constitutional values, I'm not saying necessarily only Bajrang Dal, but any other group, any other entity which raises a matter of concern, the police know why they were asking for the details. Now, we have got certain instances where in Mapsa itself, I am told that they are members of the Bajrang Dal who went and disrupted certain things, and they even went to a house and conducted a raid. And that matter I will be taking into court, so that if the SP was conducting this kind of inquiry, naturally she will submit the report to the government, and the government would have known about these things. But if the government only on this basis thought it fit to have transferred her, that too when I'm told that she had just been awarded an award at the hands of the governor of Goa, then I think that it is totally unfair to shunt out such a good officer. Now I put it to you that the government can always try to claim that, you see, there was that gang rape of an unsound person, and as a result of it she was transferred. What did she have to do with that? So if you want to say that there was a gang rape and you brought a new man right on the job, the very next day when the new man took over, there was some rape of a minor which I think took place somewhere in South Goa, if I'm not mistaken, Kanakona or somewhere that side. So should this man also go? It can't be like this. So is it a lobby within the BJP which is controlling the stakes of who comes and who goes? Is it the chief minister is playing as a silent spectator to witness this collapse of law and order? Is this a game plan which is being etched out and a roadmap being done to ensure that there is a stronghold of people who are not wanted and people who are being planted to create law and order or disorder in the state? I think police should be allowed to do their fair and honest duty. If there is a reason for a transfer, this is a single transfer, don't forget. When it is a general transfer, you have multiple officers moving at the same time. Then allegations of a bias or a special interest does not come. Always an transfer is says in public interest. I know these are the words, but what is the public interest? The government should come clean. Today, we are in an era where right to know is also being recognized as a fundamental right. And therefore, it is the duty of the government to tell the citizens, we were not happy with A, B, C, D, and we are conducting an inquiry. And due to this, we have moved the SP out. And it's only the head. Here you look at this case. You have rolled the head of the SP out. When it came to Suleiman Siddiqui in the crime branch, the head of that crime branch, the SP Gupta, was not shunted out. He was kept. Is this the treatment that the government of Goa is doing to our Goan officers? Good Goan officers? Do they want to finish the Goan officers and keep them tied down? The Goan officers are those who know the ground and the grassroots realities more than anybody else. And I think they connect with the people. Sometimes it's not necessarily wielding the stick by which you bring law and order. Sometimes it's your connect with the people by which you can control situations, and you can also ensure not just peace and harmony, but also proper discipline, law and order, and good investigation. Otherwise, you can be misled in investigations when you don't know the ground reality. Getting feedback from A, B, and C can be distorted, can be tinted, can be distractory, and therefore, I feel that the manner in which Sunita Sawant was shunted out of being SP of South Goa, out of their post, needs a big explanation from the government of Goa.